YUMO Automation was founded in August 2007. We focus on setting and promotion of YUMO brand. Our assembly line workshop adopts a strict dust-free management system to ensure a high-quality environment for encoder production. Anyone who enters the workshop to work or visit must wear dust-free clothes in accordance with regulations. On the production line, the labor division of workers is fine, improve labor productivity, shorten production cycle, and effectively achieve product standardization. The pursuit of high quality leading to the world has motivated us to supply encoders that correspond to customers' demand with quick delivery and the best quality as a leading encoder factory.